Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learning with Praise. I'm guessing if you're here today, we are doing binomial products. So this is one of the algebra topics. So let's get started. First of all, we have our equation here in brackets. So binomial products, all the numbers, they are always in brackets. We have x plus 4 and x plus 7. So what we're going to do first is expand this number. So for this one, we use this first letter to multiply. We expand it with this, and then we use this second number, number 4, at second, and multiply it, and we multiply with these numbers. So we're gonna do this long form. I'm gonna do it as I speak. So x, we write x times x, and then times x times this x, and then plus the same x times this 7. And then we do the same thing with this 4 plus 4. We do the same thing. I'm gonna go below with 4 times x plus 4 times 7. So with this, now we're gonna make it as 1, which is x times x equals to x squared. This is the same thing. We go x times x equals to x squared. And then x times 7 equals to 7x. And then 4 times x, we get 4x plus 4 times 7, which is 28. But as you can see here, if you come a bit closer, as you can see, we have 4x here and 7x, and they have the same bases. So we're going to add them together, which will give us x squared plus 11x plus 28. So we add the numbers. Now on to our second number. For just more space, I hopefully understood how we are multiplying these numbers with these ones. So now multiply this in your head, this with this, and then the same this with this. So 2g times 3g, we get 2 times 3, we get 6, and then 6g squared, because there's 2g's. And then the same 2g times negative 8. As you can see here, it's a negative 8. So we must always put minus, or you can always just, minus. So 8 times 2, you get 16. 16g, because there's still a g on 2. Now we go on to plus 5. So 5 times, we do the same thing again with 5. 5 times 3g, we get 15 g's. And then 5 times negative 8, we get negative, what is 8 times 5? Negative 40. Now, as you can see, we still have these same ones that we can add or subtract together. So we get 6j squared. So negative 16g plus 15. That means we get negative 1. You can always put just negative g. If there is no number, it just means it's 1. Minus 40. Now for our last equation. As you can see, this one only has letters. We have e minus f and then e plus g, both in brackets. So we're going to say e times this e times e, and then plus e times g, and then we go on to minus f times e, minus f times e, and then again minus f times g. So now e times e equals to e squared plus e times g equals to e and g. And then minus, don't forget your minus because this is minus f. So minus f times e equals to minus f e. And then minus f times g. So it's important you don't forget your number letters. Minus f times g equals to f minus f g. And as you can see, they are all different letters. So this means the equation ends here. Hopefully you understood how to do this binomial products. Don't forget to watch some of my other YouTube videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.